Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be attempting to remove green fashion hair color from my mannequin's head. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just showing you how we're starting off. Here's the hair color, nice and vibrant. Before we begin, in order to do the removal, we need a bowl and a brush. I have my purple shampoo, my dish liquid, my baking soda, and I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I didn't have a volume 10, so I made one. So basically a volume 10 out of a 20 is 1 part volume 10 to 1 part distilled water. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and start in with my baking soda. And to this baking soda, I'm gonna add my newly mixed or created volume 10, which is 1 part volume 20 to 1 part distilled water, and I'm going to mix that together till it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of dish liquid and a little bit of purple shampoo. Okay, so I'm going to break out my gloves because this can irritate the skin. I know because I actually made a mistake and got it on my fingertips, and I was like, why is my fingers burning? Anyway, so right here I'm starting off on the left hand side, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the Artic Fox Phantom Green, I want to say. Yeah. And I remember this because I know I did the Iroiro in the back, and I know that blue is definitely Manic Panic. So yeah, I'm just starting off with this side. I don't know why, but maybe it was easier because it was on my side. But I'm just working the product through. I'm starting at the root, and eventually I'm going to pull it through the ends. Okay, now so I'm gonna work my way to the back. In the back, if I'm not mistaken, it is Iroiro Forest Green, and I'm just applying that to the root, and eventually I'm gonna work it through the ends. So we're just gonna take a look at how this turns out. Okay, so now we're on the right hand side, and I know for a fact that this is Manic Panic in Enchanted Forest because it has a deep blue color to it, and I'm going to work that at the roots, and then I'm going to drag it through the ends. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so I'm getting around to working the mixture throughout the hair ends and emulsifying and making sure that everything is nice, evenly coated and saturated. Okay, so here is the completed look. I let it sit on for 30 minutes and we're going to see the results in a second. Okay, so here is the results of that processing, and I think I'm going to do another one just to see if I see any difference. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so here is the second application. I was totally trying to get rid of all the green, and I had to do a deep conditioning treatment for her because her hair was so brittle and so dry. So I went in with a cholesterol mixed with an oil, and I let that sit for like 30 minutes with a plastic cap. This is the mixture right here. So if you ever do get yourself in a situation where you have to use this particular color remover service, you might want to try this because it's very moisturizing. Oh, and I did wash the hair and condition the hair with cold water. That's also something that should be noted. And I wouldn't use heat for the next few months. Okay, so here is me applying the conditioner. And like I said, when I shampooed out the lightener and everything, I use cold water or cool water because it doesn't really make the hair any drier than what it already is. And it might be a good idea to air dry too, which in this particular case I didn't have any time to because I had to hurry up and churn out this video. Yeah, so I just let that sit at room temperature for like 30 minutes. Just something I thought maybe you might want to give a try if you ever did try using this particular mixture. Okay, here's the completed look. We got a lot of lift right here, somewhat lift here, and not very much on this side. And we're going to go over there in a second and we're going to see, you know, what's the difference. Okay, right here we're just going to start on the left hand side. Okay, so on my left hand side is the Artic Fox, as you can see here. Don't mind the top because it's a little bit from the other side, which is the Manic Panic, but this is the Phantom Green results. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the Manic Panic side. The Manic Panic did very well as far as like color removal. There is a tinge of green. I don't know if you can see that, almost like celery in my opinion. It's pretty interesting. I hadn't expect that to happen. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the back, which is the Iroiro in Forest Green 113 if I'm not mistaken, and it did have minimal well, not minimal, moderate color removal here compared to the other two. I did a video where I did this mannequin's head, and I tried to remove that green. When I did that, I totally scalped him. So I was trying to look for a method that wasn't using bleach or anything to try to strip the color. And in this particular time. So I don't know. I guess I'll try it again, but I'm going to give her hair a chance to recover because I don't want to scalp her. So yeah, this has been my demonstration of the color removal. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something in the process. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.